Good morning. The hurricane is here. It's 10 o'clock a.m. and I think we're getting hit by the outer wall of it. I was actually asleep and I got woken up by a loud explosion. A transformer blew down the road, I guess. It was a pretty good alarm though. So I think, oh my gosh, that was such a loud noise. I think that a giant branch may have just fallen and taken out a power line. Because there was a loud cracking noise and then it went dark. Well, that's the power line right going through right there that we lost last year. That's still up. Yep, right there. Oh, I just noticed you can see the power line right over there. See how low it is? Well, that means we're gonna be without power for a couple days. Well, I think the worst of it is officially here now. You can see the rain blowing off the neighbor's roof. Uh-oh.
Take shelter now.
That's scary.
I think it is too.
Yeah.
Close the door, close the door. I think we gotta run that door. Hear that whistle?
I think it is. And now a bunch of sirens.
Well, they probably get a warning this one somewhere. I wish they would tell us where it's at. You know? Huh? I didn't see one, but I think I heard one.
That sounded awesome. Scary.
And my heart stopped pounding.
And now there's lots of sirens.
Yep, right there.
Where?
He just stopped his light. I just heard him stop the siren right there. We didn't witness one, but I think we heard one. My heart stopped pounding in my heart. Might be really scary. There's a little tornado coming off the big tornado. That scares me.
So, to be 100% honest, this is a little bit worse than I was expecting. I mean, it's still not too bad, but Well, the front yard is starting to flood. It's all pooling up right there. So you can see right there, it's all just running. It's like a current. Whoa. So as of recording this right now, it is a little bit after 4 o'clock, and the rain has calmed down a lot. It's still pretty windy. You may be able to hear it. It's still pretty windy, and I think the wind isn't going to slow down till much later tonight. We're pretty fortunate that we live so far inland, so we're not having like too much flooding or anything, but downtown is flooded really bad. The beaches are flooded really bad. We actually have this thing, it's like a local landmark called the Folly Boat over on Folly Beach. It's a boat that got washed up on land 28 years ago during Hurricane Hugo. And it sat on the side of the road for 28 years, and it turned into like a landmark. People go and paint stuff on it. I think I've shown it in the vlogs before. And it got swept away because the beach is flooded so much, it like drifted off, and so that's like a local landmark that's just gone now. It's weird. And I've been seeing pictures of places downtown just like completely underwater. Some people that I know on Facebook are saying that their cars are destroyed. So it definitely flooded pretty bad here. It's starting to get dark now too. I think that what happened was at the same time we were getting the storm surge, it was like high tide. So that on top of the storm surge just like was kind of devastating to a lot of places. Yeah, as far as I know, nobody's been hurt or killed or anything. I haven't seen anything about that, so that's good. But for now, there's not really too much I can do. We probably won't get power back for at least not until tomorrow, because I have to come out and cut that limb down and get the wire back up, and they can't even do that while the wind is blowing, so I think we're gonna be without power for a couple days. So I'm kind of just like sitting here because there's nothing to do, nowhere to go, nothing. I can't work on any Halloween stuff, so I might just take a nap. Yeah, I think I'm gonna do that. It's now 6 o'clock, and it looks like the worst of it has probably passed. There's still some strong wind gusts every now and then, but for the most part it's calmed down a lot. And you can hear somebody behind us has a generator going since no one has power. The flooding is going down too, so that's good. Well, since it seems like the majority of the storm has passed, it's just kind of a light drizzle right now. I think we might venture out a little bit and see if we can see any damage. There's a lot of people well, that was a police officer, but there's been a lot of people going down the road. So I think it's pretty safe. There's a hint of blue sky. It's not gonna last very long though. So fortunately there wasn't actually too much damage that we could see. Lots of flooding though. There were a lot of roads that are closed, and pretty much all of downtown Charleston is inaccessible. But as you can see, we still have no power. We just called the electrical company, and they said that they put highest priority on down lines because they are dangerous, especially at night. So hopefully somebody gets out here tonight to fix it. Doesn't necessarily mean we'll have power back tonight, but at least the power line won't be on the ground anymore. So that's a good thing. But for now, just gotta sit here in the dark, I guess. I'm trying not to use my phone or anything, so I don't want to use up all my batteries. So I'm probably gonna go ahead and end the video here. I know you won't see this till after the fact, but I hope you all are staying safe throughout this storm. And as always, thank you for watching, and I will see you tomorrow, hopefully, if we have power back. We'll see.